Role and responsibilities of chairman. The term chairman or chairperson have not defined in the Companies Act 2013. This may be for the simple reason that this position is not restricted to companies. Anyone who presides over and manages the conduct of a meeting can be said to be chairing it. It just assumes a tad higher importance in the company structure since most life decisions of companies are initiated at board meetings, where the chairman or the chairperson has a significant role to play. The board of directors, considered the board of the company, has to take collective decisions based on collective wisdom of all members. In order to get a sense of the direction where the collective wisdom leads and to address the issues of self-interest and conflict of interest of individual board members in decision making, facilitator is required. This is the role a chairman will play. The prime role of a chairman is to preside over the meeting, lead in various discussions, move the meeting according to the agenda, and maintain discipline in the meeting. The primary role of a chairperson is to ensure that the board of directors is effective in its principal goal, which is to set and implement the company's direction and strategy. Usually, the chairperson is appointed by the board itself and can either be a full-time or part-time role depending on the board's demands. Sometimes, usually in smaller companies, the role of the chairman is combined with a managing director or chief executive. Joint roles such as those are not recommended for public companies that are listed on the stock exchange. While chairperson, they are expected to act as the organization's leading representative. This involves the presentation of the company's aim and policies to potential clients or partners and to the outside world. They are expected to take the chair at both general meetings and board meetings. For board meetings, this involves determining the order of the agenda, ensuring the board receives accurate, timely, and clear information, keeping track of the contributions of individual directors, ensuring they are all equally involved in decision making. Regardless of the meeting type, the chairman should be directing discussion towards consensus views and agreements and should be summing up discussion so that everyone understands what has been agreed upon. They are expected to take a leading role in determining the composition and structure of the board. This means regularly reviewing the overall size of the board, the balance between executive and non-executive directors, as well as the balance of age, gender, experience, and personality. Finally, they are expected to ensure effective and constructive communication with shareholders and stakeholders.